go. Contractor's cargo pushing heavy up the hill. There we go.
Go. Everybody go right there. Stay consistent. Here we go. Go. Right there. You guys got it. David, I'm at 1900. 17. Tow truck drivers, pick it up a little bit. Give me a little more, tow truck driver. Yeah, get back in and give him a little more. I just need the tow truck drivers. You guys are doing good in the back. Keep going just like you are. Don't stop now. Stay right there. Everybody stay right there. Keep going. Put your RPMs and hold them. 17. Hold them right there. Atta boy. Hold them right there, fellas. Keep it up. Here we go. Here we go. Here's the hardest part.
That's how you do it. Right over the hill. And that's how we do it, baby.